Get to know Shopify POS. A brief review. Shopify POS is a point-of-sale system designed specifically for businesses that sell physical products. With the rise of e-commerce, more store owners are looking for a way to manage their inventory and keep track of sales in both their brick-and-mortar stores and online. Shopify POS provides an easy way to do this with features that allow you to manage your inventory, accept various forms of payments, and even run loyalty programs. Let's take a closer look at what makes Shopify Point of Sale stand out from the competition. The benefits of Shopify POS. One of the biggest advantages of using Shopify Point of Sale is its integration with your online store. This means that you can keep track of all your sales, online and in person, from one unified platform. This makes it easier to monitor your inventory levels so you don't have too much or too little stock on hand. It also makes managing customer orders simpler since everything is stored in one place. Shopify also offers several payment options, including Apple Pay, Google Pay, Stripe, and PayPal Express checkout, allowing customers to pay with the method they feel most comfortable with. Plus, you can offer discounts and loyalty programs directly through the platform. You can even set up automatic emails or text messages for customers who have opted into loyalty programs so they can stay up to date on new promotions or rewards offerings from your business. Click the link down below to speak to an expert about your questions. Another great feature of Shopify POS is its user-friendly interface, which allows store owners to quickly and easily process transactions without having to jump through hoops or deal with complicated menus or setting screens. The mobile app version of the software also allows employees to accept payments while away from the register so they can provide better customer service throughout the entire store, even if they don't have access to a traditional cash register setup. Shopify Point of Sale offers store owners an easy way to manage their physical locations while still taking advantage of all the benefits offered by e-commerce platforms like inventory management, payment processing, loyalty programs, discounts, and more. With its intuitive interface and robust features, it's no wonder why more store owners are turning to Shopify POS as their go-to point-of-sale system. If you're looking for an easy way to manage both your brick-and-mortar store and e-commerce shop from one convenient platform, then consider giving Shopify Point of Sale a try today. Go to the link below to get your personal demonstration and questions answered.